Hello everybody. In this tutorial, we will learn how to install artMAP. artMAP is a tool to identify EMS-induced mutation in Arabidopsis. artMAP requires Docker. Therefore, before installing artMAP, we will see how to install Docker. To install Docker, go to the Docker web page, which is www.docker.com, and click on Get Started button. Go down, scroll it down, and you will see there is a download for Mac and download for Windows. Depending on your system, choose one of them. My system is Windows, therefore I will click on download for Windows. And you will see there is a sign saying please log in to download. So basically you have to sign up. If you do not have any account on Docker, then click on sign up. Fill in the required information and click continue. Since I already have an account, I will click on login to download. It will take me to the information and I will just click on sign in. On the right side, you see there's a option to get Docker. You click on this and Docker will start downloading. The installation file of Docker is stored in the folder of downloads. Therefore, I will install it from the download folder by double clicking this file. And Docker will start downloading as well as installing. After installation, you will get a message saying installation succeeded. You can close this window. It is very important that we should run the Docker now. So we go for the desktop where there is a Docker icon. We double click so that it is running. It will take a while, but it will say Docker desktop is starting. And there is a small icon saying Docker desktop is starting. When Docker is ready, you will see one pop-up window here and a message saying Docker is running. You see, now there is a pop-up window which is saying Docker desktop is now up and running. We need to do one more important thing is to allow Docker to have access to the storage device. To do so, you right click on this Docker icon, go to the settings, go for shared drives and allow access of Docker to this drive by saying apply. Click on apply. It is being applied. You can close it. We have successfully installed the Docker. Now we need to install artMAP. To install artMAP, we need to go to the GitHub page of artMAP by typing artMAP GitHub. You will see first link saying GitHub Reha Lab artMAP. Click on this. And you will go to the GitHub page of artMAP. Here you will see there is a docker-compose.yml file. You click on this file. You will see the content of this file. and you need to download this file and keep it in a folder from where you want to run artMAP. So to download, you right click on the raw button and save link as. Since I want to keep it in an artMAP folder, I double click on artMAP and save it in artMAP folder. Now to run artMAP, you have to go to search button and type CMD. It will open a command prompt for you. Right click and run command prompt as administrator. It will open a command prompt. From here, you need to navigate to the folder where docker.compose.yml file is stored. Therefore, we'll find the address where this file is there by right clicking on the folder and going for the properties. And see, this is the address of the folder. I copy this address, go to the command prompt and write cd, which is for change directory, space, and paste the path along with the it is double pasted, so I will remove one, downloads / artmap. From here I will just write docker dash compose space up and enter. It will pull down image of the artmap and install it for you. Now it's creating an image. When artmap is complete installing, you will get a message that it is listening on port 3000. And here it is saying server listening on port 3000. So to run artmap, you open your browser. It can be any browser and just write localhost 3000 and enter. See, now artmap is up and running. You can have multiple artmap running at the same time by just creating another tab and saying localhost 3000. So you can run as many runs you want depending on the power of your system. Now I will explain and tell you some of the problems associated with installation of the artmap. The issues like errors coming like code2 error, which comes after you type docker-compose up, is associated due to improper installation of the Docker. So make sure that you have admin rights to install softwares on the desktop or laptop you are using. This is very important. The second thing is please make sure the Docker is running. And the third important thing for Windows user is to have a look at the virtualization status. Make sure the virtualization status is enabled. How to check the virtualization status? You go to the task manager, then click on performance and see there's a virtualization status saying it is disabled. So you have to make sure that virtualization is enabled. You can enable your virtualization of a Windows PC by going to the BIOS setting. which can be accessed at the start of the Windows. Lastly, I would like to thank you for using artMAP. Please give your feedback, and if you use artMAP, please cite us.